Thank you for joining us today. This is Rich Savage with the Liferay team at Carahsoft, and I'm here with Raj Iyer, Managing Director at Deloitte, to talk about the digital transformation being done by Deloitte and Liferay to support the U.S. Army's voluntary education system. Raj, thank you so much for joining us virtually today.
Thanks for inviting me.
Of course. And to get us started, can you walk us through some of the main challenges the Army was trying to solve?
Absolutely. So first, I'd like to maybe take up a second to talk about, the background and the context for why the Army embarked on this very important mission. As we know, the U.S. has the most advanced Army in the world due to the incredible men and women in uniform who help protect our national security and maintain peace. These men and women in uniform make sure we maintain our competitive edge overseas. And in turn, as a nation, we need to make sure that they're successful while they serve in the Army and thrive once their service ends. In a rapidly changing world today, the skills our soldiers need to protect our national security and the skills that they need to succeed when they transition out of the military are constantly evolving. Given the size and caliber of our Army, investments in skills can actually help build a pipeline of talent to fill a larger workforce shortage that the nation has. So here's a couple of examples. About 47% of the jobs in the US could face possible automation over the next 20 years due to rapid changes in technology such as artificial intelligence, cognitive computing, and automation. By 2021, an estimated 3.5 million cybersecurity jobs will go unfilled. And by 22, the Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that more than 9 million STEM jobs will go unfilled as well. On the non-technical fields, about by 2030, we're expecting a huge shortage of about 160,000 truck drivers in the United States, which would critically undermine the supply chain and ability to move goods. Our service members drive actually very sophisticated large vehicles and machinery through geography that's far more challenging than the typical interstate highway. But unfortunately, they're not able to tap into these jobs after they leave service because their military training does not help them qualify for a commercial driver's license. So despite the potential, though, the Army's learning infrastructure did not always support a very clear alignment between military training and skills and credentials needed for similar roles in the civilian workforce. In fact, many US veterans say that the military prepared them for active duty, but only half of them say that they felt prepared with the right skills to transition to civilian life.